जय हिंद दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ट्रैवलिंग monk of India. Today we are driving to a beautiful dam called as Joga Dam, which is situated at the hills of Malchej Ghat. So to talk more about the Joga Dam, it is about 5 kilometers long dam. The dam is situated in a very scenic backdrop which gives panoramic view to the visitors. You have already seen at the start of this video how it looks. Even there is a plenty of birds that you can see. So it's a paradise for bird watchers. The view of this dam is a heartwarming view, and even one can see migratory birds traveling like flamingos in this particular place. So this place is actually very close to Ambegaon railway station, uh, and the dam is situated on a plain water of the enchanting Pushpavati river. Now it is around 90 kilometers from Pune, and it falls under the Pune district. It is one of the major tourist attraction for the city. I don't know if many people have visited out to this place, but people from Pune and Mumbai love this place, and probably many people travel out here. There are lots of riders who come to this place to enjoy the beauty of this particular place. People used to come here from many places. That is what I have learned. But if you haven't visited, I think it is one of the places that you should visit once in your lifetime. So that is for sure. So please ensure that if you have time, do come visit to this beautiful place. Now talking about our ride. So today I am actually doing a group ride. This is a Java rider group from Mumbai with whom I have been traveling. So I started early in the morning at around 6 o'clock from my place, and then we came down to the Murbad road, and from there we are right now driving towards Malchej Ghat. Right now we are down the foothills of Malchej Ghat. So you can see the large big hills out there. These are all Malchej Ghat hills that we will be going up for this particular ride. Now the interesting part about this ride. So there are around 12 Java bikes, out of which there are two Peraks. One of the Perak is owned by me. That's what I am riding right now, and there is one more Perak that is driving in front of me. Beyond that, there are around 9 more Java motorcycles, mostly classic, and a few 42 bikes, Java 42. So this group actually has traveled a lot in many places. So I thought let me be part of this particular group this time and see how it rides. So here goes a 42, just riding beside me. Yeah. So so it will be a very good ride. It is something that I have been waiting for a month. So I wanted to drive to this particular place probably for last 2 months, and I was more interested to drive in here during rainy season. But unfortunately, I can't do that. The reason being that during rainy season it is a little bit risky to drive at Malchej Ghat, because there are a lot of landslides that happen in this particular place. Also, there are large boulders that have fallen down on the road. There have been serious accidents that have happened, and that is the reason probably people don't like to come at the rainy season, or people are not allowed to come in the rainy seasons just because of the risk of life. Um Other than that, this particular place is more beautiful than the route to Lonavala because I know Lonavala is pretty crowded. This place is not that crowded. This actually is a place where you are actually driving towards Ahmednagar, and this road is the highway through which we can travel there. So right now we are planning for a stoppage because we wanted to take some nice pictures with all our bikes out here, and that will be our plan. So we're looking for a nice place, and probably it seems that they have find a place out here, and that should be this particular place. We have a nice backdrop of the hills, and we will take some pictures out here to make it more memorable for us. uh, so we'll hold for a moment now, and please enjoy the pictures. Okay, guys, now we're back on track, and you can see we are riding very closely because right now we have started our drive towards Joga Dam. That is after climbing this beautiful hill through the beautiful ghats of Malchej Ghat. We'll be driving this our bikes, the Java Perak and the Java 42s and the Java Classics. So you can see that we'll be riding very closely towards each other because we will be riding up the hill, and so it will be a very fun ride. Please ensure that you see this video till the end because you will love the places that we have been traveling, and moreover the scenic beauty is awesome. I have tried my best to keep it as raw as possible so that you guys can enjoy the most of it. um, and I don't find I didn't get much opportunity to edit this video a lot because I want everyone to see how beautiful the place is, so I will keep it very raw and ensure that everything is captured. um, so now we are actually climbing up the hill. You can see the curves, and all the Java Perak and the 42s are smoothly climbing this hill without any challenges. That's the best part. So we are right now at a particular spot which is very famous, and there are a lot of people who takes photos out here. It's specifically a point out here. Passing by this particular road, you will see that in this particular place there is a lot of landslides that I was talking about from the hill, and that is where the concerning areas. But I see a lot of repairing work going on, so I believe this will be fixed pretty soon, and we can enjoy riding here on the range. There is a lot of improvement that I have seen because I have traveled here. This is a beautiful tunnel. Just beside this, you will see a lovely place, a point where you can enjoy the scenic beauty. Now we are nearly on top of the hill. Nothing much to drive. Right now we are moving towards Joga Dam, and you will soon see the beautiful Joga Dam where we will be riding our bikes. Um, it's a pleasant atmosphere because I'm traveling on the week of Thanksgiving, which is basically 28th of November. You will get to know that the temperature is very nice. Mumbai, currently the morning temperature should not be more than uh, 20 21, and in the afternoon at this particular juncture we will have a temperature till 30 max. Right now, though, it is around 26 or 27. Though right now it's not even 10:30 in the morning. The beauty of this place is mesmerizing. Everyone loves this particular place. You can see that we all are driving so confidently, and here we are at the Joga Dam. So right now, what my plan is basically to go and quickly sneak into the Joga Dam. So I came quickly. The group is out there behind on the road. I thought let me take a long ride quickly, and then we can ask our group to come in. So that's the plan, and we are actually riding in in the in the dam right now. This road actually is above the dam, and you can enjoy the beautiful uh, lake out here where the water is stored. Uh, it's an awesome, beautiful place where you can ride your bike. I'm really enjoying driving my bike in such a beautiful place. I would recommend everyone to come here, enjoy the nature. Though I would prefer you guys take proper precautions and keep yourself safe while you are traveling to such places, because right now we are still in a situation of a pandemic. So it's recommended that you always carry your mask, have hand sanitizers and stuff. So do ensure that you do that, and then you can enjoy such beautiful places, um, because this is winter season and this is a season where people loves to travel. So I will recommend many people from Mumbai, if they are interested, please come, enjoy this beautiful place, have fun with friends and family, because right now it is the best time where you can come and enjoy this beautiful place. During rainy season also it will be really beautiful. I will plan to come again on a rainy season and enjoy. So right now we are driving together. So this is a Perak and this Perak is owned by Mr. Sandeep. So he is riding just in front of me, and then there are two Java Classic and one Java 42 that people are riding on. These are all from the same Java Riders group, Mumbai. Thank you to them for allowing me to be part of their group. I really enjoyed this particular ride. I'm really thankful to all of them, specifically to Sandeep, because he has made this plan happen. He has coordinated with the Java Riders group and also with me. We tried to bring other people from our Perak groups also, but unfortunately they weren't able to come. But probably in the next ride you can see more Perak drivers riding here in some other place. So please enjoy this video. Thank you very much for supporting my channel, and I will request you guys to please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring such beautiful rides to you guys. Thank you guys. Enjoy the video.